Welcome. In front of me is an Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on the device. So to begin the process, we'll need to shut off the device, hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you can begin to hold power key and volume down simultaneously. And once you see the Asus logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, we'll use volume keys to navigate, like so, and power key will be used to confirm. So with that in mind, let's select wipe cache partition right here, and then confirm it with power, and once more select yes, and confirm it again with power key. You get a quick little message right here, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default, so you can then press power key and reboot back into the normal Android system. And as you can see, we're back in the Android system. So that is how you would wipe cache. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.